Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to remove your image background or how to blur your image background on your Windows 11 in one click without using any third-party software. In this video I am going to show you. So first, if you want to remove the image background on your Windows 11, first you need to open your image on Microsoft Paint app. Right click on your image like this and go to open with and select Paint app from here. Okay, it will open the image on Microsoft Paint app, as you can see guys. Now if you want to remove the image background, here you can get the option in the toolbar menu, remove background. Just click on it, so it will detect your image background and it will take some time to remove your image background. As you can see guys, your image background was now removed. Okay, now you need to save this image. Go to file, go to save as and select your image format and save it. Okay, so in one click your image background was removed. Okay, now if you want to blur your image background, you need to open your image on Microsoft Photos app. Just right click on your image once again, go to open with. From here you need to select Photos app. Okay, it will open the image on Photos app. Okay, after opening, here in the toolbar menu, click on edit image like this, and here you can get the option background blur tab. Just click on it. It will auto detect your background of your image, as you can see guys, and then it will automatically blur the image background after few seconds, as you can see guys. Okay, if you want to increase or decrease blur intensity, from here you can easily able to do this. Okay, and then click on apply. Okay, like this. If you want to add more blur effect to your image, once again click on add new background blur like this, and then click on apply. It will add more blur effect to your image, like as you can see guys. Okay, and then if you want to save this, go to save option like this. From here you can easily able to save that image. Okay, so this is the very easy and very simple method to remove your image background, or if you want to blur your image background, you can try this method. In case this option, these features is not showing on your Windows 11, at that time guys, what you need to do, you need to update your Windows 11 PC. To update your PC, open your Windows 11 settings, go to Windows update. From here you can easily able to update your PC. So after updating, you can also get that features. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy this video, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.